In order to start typing correctly, it's important to know where your fingers should rest on the keyboard when they are not actively typing a letter. To maximize the range your two hands can reach, they should be positioned in the middle of the keyboard. Your left fingers should be resting on the letters A, S, D, and F, and your right fingers should be resting on the keys J, K, L, and semicolon. Both your thumbs should be resting on the space bar, the long key in the lower center of the keyboard. This set of 8 keys is known as the home row. It's very important to remember this position because every time you type a letter, the finger that was used should move back to the home row. On most keyboards, the F and J keys have a slight bump in the form of a raised bar or dot on top, so your index fingers can easily tell when they are back on the home row. Does your keyboard have these bumps? If so, close your eyes and try to position your index fingers on them. Then position the other 6 fingers in their home row positions as well.